est prête. Rends les choses faciles.
Et sèche-moi ces larmes de crocodile.
So you're gonna start out by adding your dry ingredients, then your butter and your vegetable oil. Then you're gonna mix it until it gets like a wet sand texture. This is the exact texture that you want. Now you're going to add in your milk, and then you're going to add in your eggs one at a time. Make sure you stop in between your mixing just to scrape down the bowl. Adding your extracts and your alcohol, and then you're going to stir that until it's fully combined. Now I'm preparing my pan. I'm spraying it down with a non-stick spray. You can use this spray or you can just butter and flour your pan. Now I'm just adding the cake into the pan, and then I'm going to put it in my oven that's preheated to 325 degrees, and I'm going to bake it for 50 to 60 minutes. Okay, so now it's 15 minutes left to my cake, and I'm gonna start preparing the sauce. I put the water in, and then I'm putting the butter in now. I'm gonna bring that along with my sugar to a boil for maybe about 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna bring it down to a simmer.
Ta valise est prête. Rends les choses faciles.
Et sèche-moi ces larmes de crocodile.
So my sauce has thickened, and it's exactly the consistency I want it to be. So I'm gonna remove it from the heat, and I'm gonna add in my extracts and then my alcohol. So I allowed my cake to cool down for about 20 minutes. Now I'm just poking the holes inside the cake, and then I'm gonna start to pour a little alcohol in the cake, and then I'm gonna pour the sauce. So after my first addition of pouring the sauce into the cake, I let it soak in completely. As you can see, now I'm pouring my second addition. I'm gonna wrap the cake inside the pan for 24 hours. Make sure you do it for the complete 24 hours to allow the cake to soak.